Section 79 and 80 CPC Notice. Section 79 and 80 CPC Notice is introduced in CPC in 1908. Under this, there is the procedure where the suit is brought by or against the government or the public officer. The provisions provide for the procedure only, not about the rights and liabilities. Substantive right has to be found according to the provisions of the Constitution. The provision give no cause of action, but only declares the mode of the procedure. When a cause of action has arisen. Under CPC 1908 section 80 deals with the provisions of a substantive principles and orders, deals with the procedure, manner and mode in which general principles can be exercised. Similarly, section 79 to 82 provides for the general principles, and Order 27 prescribes the procedure in which the general rules provided under section 79 to 82 CPC can be exercised. Here, first of all, we have to see name of the party. Under section 79 of the CPC, the code provides that a suit by or against the government or the public authority to be named as a plaintiff and dependent. Number one, central government or a Union of India. Number two, state government. In a case, the chief conservator of forest, AP, government of AP versus collector. In this case, the suit is made against the government, against the central government or a Union of India or a suit against the state government. This was cleared by Supreme Court under section 80 CPC 1908. The suit is between the individuals and individuals. Notice need not to be given to defendant by plaintiff before filling a suit, but under section 80 CPC there is the provision notice has to be given in a suit, that notice against the government or a public office. So in respect of any act purporting to be done by such public officer in his official capacity until the expiration of 2 months. The next after the notice has to be in writing, has been delivered at or left at the office of. Like this way, how like the notice is issued and to the government, central government and central governments and state governments, like this. In case of notice is issued to the central government that is not related to the railway, such kind of notice is issued to the Chief Secretary of the central government. Number 2, in case the suit is against the central government railway, the suit is concerned with the railway. At the time, the notice is issued to the general manager of the railway. Number 3, in case if it is Jammu and Kashmir, the notice is issued to the Chief Secretary of the Jammu and Kashmir state government. Number 4, if the suit is against the state government, the notice should be issued to the Chief Secretary of the state government or a public officer. Number 5, if it is the public officers, the notice is issued to the public officer of the states, any states. The notice is issued to the Chief Secretary of the state or the collector, or who are appointed as the immediate urgent concerned head of the officers. Number 6, if there is any kind of urgency, the suit is maintained without a notice. When the court considers the urgency, the immediate relief is not necessary. In that case, at the time the court rejects the suit. If there is emergency, immediate relief in the case, the court considers the emergency relief, the urgency of the suit. Like this way, where the notice is issued to the government or public officers. Here, under section 80 enumerates two types of cases. One is against the central government, and another one is against the government, or another one is against the public officers in respect of acts done or purporting to be done by such public officers in their official capacity. If there is official capacity, the notice is issued to the public officers. Immediate authorized public officers only. Here, there is the essentiality of the requirements of section 80 as CPC notice. There are three essential requirements are there to consider the section 80 CPC notice. First, address the concerned person. Address should be identified, mentioned clearly. The communication should be delivered, received perfectly. What kind of notice is issued by you? Such kind of notice is against the government or public officers. Address should be mentioned clearly and neatly. Otherwise, it should be proper requirements. Section 80 proper requirements is avoided. Number two, secondly, there should be no vagueness or indefiniteness about the person giving the notice. Whoever there is who are issuing the notice, the person's address and the person's particulars should be identified. There is no any kind of vagueness or indefiniteness of the person who are issuing the notice. And the notice should be fulfilled according to the rules and regulations of section 80 CPC. And child early, the 2 months time allowed must expire before the suit late. Once the requirement is hence are fulfilled for details after issuing the notice, 2 months complete time is necessary to make a suit against government and public officers. The complete time date should be under the requirements of CPC notice. Like that, every person has to maintain requirements of the notice. Next, object of the notice. What is the main object of the notice? That has to be considered by the notice. Object of the notice under section 80. Object of the notice under section 80 clearly specifies an opportunity to the government or public officer to consider the legal position and settle down the claim forwarded by the prospective plaintiff if it appears to be just and proper. Whether notice is proper. According to the rules and regulations of Section 80, the government and public officers, what kind of allegations made, such kind of allegations should be verified and try to settle down the allegations between the 2 months' time. Number 2, it is expected from the government, unlike private parties, to consider the matter objectively and make an appropriate decision in 2 months after obtaining proper legal advice. It saves public money and time and the public interest also. This is not like private parties' orders. This is about the public parties' orders. The appropriate decision should be taken in 2 months. There is no any kind of chance to waste of the public money and time and public interest also, public time also. Like this way, there is a necessity to maintain government money, time and government service. Next. Number 3, legislative intents behind the provision that public money not to be wasted. Legislative intent, what is the legislative intent of the public money should not be wasted by any government or government officials about the claims and whatever the unreasonable attitude there is. The wasteful expenditure is also not to be mentioned. Like this way, the suit is going to be made in appropriate conditions under Section 80 CPC. Like that way, a notice is sent against the government and at the public officers, whoever and wherever there is. The certainties and complete information should be according to the under Section 80 CPC. The all sections under 79 to 82 sections of the CPC says about the notice against the government and the public officers. Thank you.